Good morning students. Today in our grammar class we will learn simple present tense. Simple present tense or present indefinite tense. This tense is used to express universal truth. Universal truth. Facts, general truth, daily activity, activities, means present indefinite tense is used to express universal truth, facts, general truth, daily activities, habitual action, etc. These are the things where we use simple present or present indefinite tense. Now let us see how a sentence is written in this tense. Before that, let us observe some sentences. For example, you see universal truth. Universal truth means what? Universal truth means like the sentences. It is a universal truth. Sun rises in the east. I go to school. Water flows downward. Mother cooks food. Here I have written some example. Observe these sentences. Sun rises in the east. I go to school. Water flows downward. My mother. Here I have written mine. It should be mother. My mother cooks food. These are some of the example of the sentences I have written. Now here see universal truth. We are talking about universal truth. Universal truth means which is always true. For example, sun rises in the east. General truth, water flows downward. This is, we can say, it is a general truth. Daily activities. I go to school. Example of daily activities. Habitual action. This also we can say habitual action. My mother cooks food. This one is a habitual action. So here I have some of the examples we have observed. Now let us observe how a sentence is written in this tense. So now let us see how a sentence is written in this tense. Here we will write two types of formula. One formula is here subject plus verb, or we can say he also, object. This is one formula. Object subject, verb, object. Then we will write another formula. Let us observe the sentence. Okay, another formula is subject. Now this subject is third person singular number. Third person singular number. Third person singular number means here the subject is third person singular number. Then verb plus s es. Means after the verb we will put s or es. When the subject is third person singular number, after the verb we have to put s or es. Then the object. This is the second formula. We have got two formula. One is subject plus verb plus object, and the second one is subject plus, subject is third person singular number, then subject plus s or es plus object. This is the formula. In this formula only we will write almost all the sentences. For example, here before we got some sentences. You remember, sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. Here you see sun is third person. So after the verb we are writing rise. Main verb is rise plus s we have put. So it means rises. In this way only you see he goes. Goes why? Because go plus s. Sorry, es. Goes. It is he goes. Go es. Then it becomes goes. Meena writes. R-I-T-E-S. You see here, Meena is third person. So after the third person, verb plus s or es. Object. Then the object. So here, according to the second formula. First formula does not require putting s or es. This is the formula of writing the sentences in present indefinite tense. Now, there are some of the things we have. Okay, there are something we have to remember for removing our confusion to what tense we should use. So there are some of the words which will say us that the sentence must be written in present indefinite tense. For we will say them as signal word. For example, you see there are some of the words are there. Which one means always, daily, regularly, mostly, generally, usually, here these are some of the words. You see, when we write these words, we must use the present indefinite tense. Means when we get this type of words, daily, regularly, mostly, generally, usually, then we have to use the present indefinite tense. The sentence will be always written in present indefinite tense. So here I have written these words as signal words. Means any sentence you have got where these words are there, any one of these words are there, then that sentence should be written in present indefinite tense. Now see we will learn the conjugation of the sentence. Conjugation means, you see, conjugation means the sentence along with the subject. You see, we have the subject like that. Subject is I and we. Subject is I and we. Subject, first person it is. Subject, second. First, second. Second subject, second person is you. Third person is he, she, it. He, she, it. These are third person. Now, along with the first person subject, the verb will be used differently, and along with the second person, it will be used. That one we have to learn that particular way. Subject, first person singular number. Suppose let us take the verb as verb go. Suppose we are taking example, the verb go. Then you see subject, first person singular number, then we write I go. We go. Second person also we, you go. Here also plural is also you go. But third person singular number, you look at here. He, she, it. The verb will become goes according to our formula. So it will be he goes, she goes, it goes. And their plural will be what? The plural will be they go. The plural will be they go. Let us write. This side it is not going. So let me write it this side. Third person he, she, it. He, she, it goes. And here they go. Till here we have learned the examples also.